Substantiated and conclusive statistics reveal that with the rise in nudity, the world has correspondingly witnessed a continuous rise in divorces and matrimonial separations. This is because whatever the eyes see, the heart covets. And whatever the heart, which here means the errant and wild desires, covets, it seeks to obtain it at any cost. Therefore, every new day the heart gets attracted to one and bids farewell to another. In an environment where hijab is prevalent, the husband and wife belong to each other, and their sentiments, love and feelings are exclusively for one another. But in the free market of nudity, wherein women have been practically transformed into a commodity of mutual use, the sanctity of a matrimonial alliance becomes meaningless, and families, similar to a spider's web, swiftly break apart, and the children are left without guardians.